Hi guys, jraiw back with another video. Today I'm going to show you my wash routine for my 4B, 4C, short, fine, thin, natural hair. Yes, that is a mouthful, but it is the reality of it all. So let's get started. As you can see, I have my vegetable glycerin with me, my Suave Naturals shampoo, a white tooth comb, my conditioning cap, a towel of course, and my ever so trusty Blue Magic hair grease. And now I have even added in a rice water and tea rinse. So let's get started. As you can see, those gray hairs are being very disrespectful, and after a week of manipulating my hair, we see what's finally up under this wrap that I put on. So to start off, I usually wet my hair because I don't like to manipulate my hair when it's dry. As I said, I do have very fine hair and it has a tendency to break off and snap at the root, especially when I'm running low on any iron, which, yeah, anybody who has iron issues, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna start off by wetting my hair and massaging my scalp, making sure I don't have any type of tangles or anything before I start shampooing my hair. Normally I wash my hair in the shower, but for purposes of this video, I am doing it in the bathroom sink. So please bear with me guys. As you can see, I massage the shampoo in my hair, making sure I cleanse my scalp with my fingertips, making sure I go from root to tip, and it feels just so good. If you guys don't massage your scalp, please do it. You'll love it. You'll thank me for it later. I comb through my hair while the shampoo is in there to make sure that I am manipulating every inch of my scalp. Some people do this, some people say don't do this, but this is just the method that I prefer to use. And it also gives me a gauge on the length of my hair in its wet state, and also the slip of my hair depending on what product I'm using at the moment. I don't know what this is in my eye. I believe it's a lash, but it has to go. Anyhow, as you can see, my hair is growing out from a tapered cut, and it has been growing for a little over 6 months now. I am going to attempt to grow my hair out because I usually cut it every year, but this year I'm gonna try and do something a little bit different and see how far long I could grow my hair out. And yeah, so the majority of my growth is on top. If you're wondering why that is, it's because of the cut that I gave myself back in June. As you can see here, I am separating my hair into sections. I usually try and do it in 4 sections, and this is where you can see how thin my hair actually really is. So I two-strand twist my hair before I add in any type of conditioners or anything like that. This time around, I am not going to use any conditioner in my hair. Instead, I'm going to do a rice and tea rinse. So I'm going to spray my hair with rice and tea mix and let it sit in my hair under a conditioning cap for about 10 minutes. This spray is really cold guys, so if I'm flinching, that's why. And I do advise, if you're using this, make sure that you're wearing a dark shirt because the tea will stain any type of light fabric. And just to let you know guys, I did make a video on how I make my rice rinse, so if you're interested in watching that video, it will be in the description box or linked above somewhere on the screen for you to watch. After I apply my conditioning cap, I wrap my hair in my towel for some added heat. I don't add any direct heat on my hair at the moment. So for now, I just use a towel when I want to condition my hair or want to keep any type of moisture in my hair up under my cap. And as you can see, I'm having a little difficulty doing this at the moment. I'm just gonna blame it on the towel, and I'm not gonna blame it on my method. Yeah, so I'm gonna get it together guys, I promise. And there we have it. My pseudo Badu look. Kind of reminds me of when I used to lock my hair. Had my hair locked. And I could literally twist my locks up like this. And I'll be back. So I have had the tea and rice water in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's time to rinse it out. I'm checking to see how much moisture has penetrated into my hair. I am protein sensitive, so a lot of times I have a lot of water or oils. They really sit on my hair and it takes a lot of time to saturate through my hair follicles. In addition to me adding the tea and rice on my hair, has a lot of protein in it, so I always have to make sure that I'm not overdoing it. And as you can see, now I am adding in the glycerin and the blue magic. I'm going to work it through my hair and comb through my hair. And as I go, I'm going to make sure that I am further detangling my hair from what I may have missed when I was washing my hair. I like to comb straight through my hair, backward and forward, from side to side. And that's also another way that I manipulate my scalp and stimulate my follicles. And it is also a good way for me to gauge the texture of my hair, because one of my main goals is not only to retain length, but to also work on thickening my hair and focus on its overall health. This shrinkage is real, guys. So now that my hair has air dried a little bit, I am going to go ahead and start plaiting my hair in 2-strand twist. And I do this on a weekly basis as a protective style. It helps to cut down the manipulation on my hair. I normally wear my hair wrapped anyway, but however, as my hair stretches, I could figure out different styles and different ways to manipulate it throughout the week before I wash it again. So my inner Janet Jackson came out while I was twisting my hair and listening to Pandora. Don't come for me in the comments, guys. It happens, okay? It just happens. So that's it, guys. I got about 12 to 15 plaits on my hair, and I'm hoping that as my hair gets thicker and longer, I can add more or just keep these same sections, and that way I could gauge the difference in my hair. As you can see, my hair texture basically curls up on itself. It's still a little bit damp, so as it dries, it may shrink up just a little bit extra. But I'll keep these plaits in my hair until my next wash day, unless of course I have to take it out for any other reason. So at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair in my favorite satin scarf to prevent my hair from breaking or snagging when I'm asleep. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my wash day routine video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys soon. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so with the button below. Have a beautiful day and a beautiful life. Bye.